Alright guys, it is 11:55 right now. So pretty much midnight. I'm out late like this for a minute. I think the latest I've ever come out is like 11:30. So I've been back before midnight. But now I'm out at midnight. So I know my night rides always do pretty good. So figured I'd come out here at night, get a little video, some wheelies, all that. Me and my brother just went to a car show in Connecticut. I'm from Connecticut, so we went up there to visit, and also there was a big car show going on. The people that host it, their name is Bangers. We actually went to one of their car shows in New Jersey last year, and it actually gets pretty crazy, bro. Like two-step competitions and all that. Somebody's Corvette actually set on fire this meet. I don't have a video of the fire. We didn't go over for the fire, but we went over there after when there was a bunch of fire trucks. So I might put that up here. But yeah, two-step competitions are always pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, they were kind of dragging it. They were taking forever to show a lot of the cars. But it was still super cool. Yeah, there's actually a few bikes there too. There was an S1000 and then an R6, which, boo, R6, but there was an S1000 and that thing was loud. Like, that thing was loud. Videos don't do a lot of the cars justice. Some nice swerves. So, it's been a few days since I've been on the bike. That was deep. It's raining now. It just started to rain. That's not good. So this is what you do, right? You record like this. Bang, now that you're recording, you don't have to worry about popping it up with one hand. You gotta do it like this. That's how you gotta do it. It's a little sketchy, but when I need to be recording videos for you guys, because you guys are the best. So, okay, I'm out here. I don't have anything to wipe the lens with. Maybe I can give it a little rubby dub like this. This guy can go, man. He's got a, oh, I got a green light now. Sorry, dude. I'm sorry. All right, let's do a little LB Spitty Classic right here. LB Spitty Classic is just one of these. Bang, bang. Oh, that's a new one. Ooh, the seat standers are buttery. Ooh, buttery. Swerve it. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. It's an LB Spitty Classic, right? Foot over bar knee knock. This is an LB Spitty Classic. Just hang out like this for a while. Used to love this trick. Still do, but just don't do it as much. So nice. Ah, dang it. Let me get it back up. Ah! My foot was on the ground. Oh my gosh. What we got here? Kawasaki. Oh, look at this. Should I put this on my bike actually? Hold on, that's kind of tough. I think we could pull it off. Nah, I'm messing around. Just a little souvenir. I can't keep it though. Alright, little midnight combo. On the sidewalk. I think my tire's low pressure. It feels low. Can we hit this right here? The sidewalk? Oh, this is sketchy. Nah. I actually think I can. Oh, I'm rusty. I'm rusty. Where are all the cops at? Let's do a U-turn. Alright, I'm gonna wheelie up. I'm gonna try and hit the sidewalk in between this trash can here. I think I can. I just gotta drop it back on in. Nice and slow entry like this. Right here. Don't wanna have to correct it too much once we get up. Just wanna chill out and just hit it like this. Don't hit my leg. Off the curb. Let's go. This is how I'm gonna end the video. Little main road wheelie. Don't worry guys, I'm not pulling out. Everybody chill out. Thank you. There are some cars. Gotta be on alert here. Just pop it up, we're chilling. I'm gonna send you guys off some swerving. Send you guys off a little C standard. Oh, it's bumpy. Woo! Oh, my arm. Alright, I gotta go home. Like I said, for it being this late. Woo! Woo! New combos to do. I could do a high chair. I'll do one of these. I'll do one of these. I know you guys wanted to see a high chair. Hey, we're chilling though. Keep it up, keep it up. That's what I'm talking about. Hey. Hey. Alright, we gotta take a left turn. Drop it back, lean, and we're in there. Got it. Oh, but the hand hurts so bad. I'm telling you guys, I'm not exaggerating. The arm pump, my arm is rock hard right now. It's crazy. Oh, it's a rabbit.